Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can sign out from the Shein application. To do that, open the Shein application, tap open the app. As you can see, you are currently logged in into the account of yours. Once you open the app, you will be at the shop page. That is the home page or the landing page once you open the application. Now you need to go to the profile of yours. For that, tap on me on the bottom right. In here, you need to go and tap on the setting icon on the top right. You tap that. And there, all you have to do is scroll down to the very bottom of the screen and you will have the sign out option in red text. You just tap on sign out. Are you sure you want to sign out? Tap on sign out and this will get you easily signed out from the Shein application right away. So this is a way how you can sign out from the Shein app right away. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.